Hey, what's up? In this video, we're going to look at how to generate a statement for a customer. So there's two ways we can do this. The first is by going to our receivables and then opening up the customer record that we want to generate the statement for. And if we click the action dots, we can go in here and we can click this generate on demand, which is going to generate the statement. And then we'll select the date that we want to generate this for and click OK. Once we do that, it's going to tell us that the statement has been generated. And the next step here is going to be to print the statement. So if I go in and if I click print statement, this is going to give me a statement for this customer for all of their open balances that they have, which they have quite a few outstanding, as you can see, in terms of dollar amount. So this is how you can do it at the one-off level for one individual customer. But if you wanted to do this in a bulk process, under the receivables, under processes, there's going to be the ability to prepare the statements. And if we go to prepare statements, we can select the cycle ID that we want, which in this case is just going to be the end of month. And I can go ahead and process this. And once I do this, it's going to tell me that these statements have been prepared, or in this case, processed. And this will take just some time because it's going to run through all of the customers that you have and take a look at all of their statements to generate those. So once this is done, then we will go in and we'll show you how to actually print or send those statements. So these have been prepared. So I can close out of this. And now the next screen that we're going to go to is the print statements. So the first one we looked at was to generate them. And now we're going to look at printing them. So I'm going to go in and just go to our cycle ID, which is the EOM, the end of month that we have. And this here is going to show me all of the actual customers. As we can see, there's multiple pages and their balance and things of that nature. So there's multiple actions that we can do at the top. So the first one here is to print them. So if we wanted to go in and we wanted to actually print these, we could select all of them by clicking this top checkbox. We could select just a few of them, should we want to. And then when we click this process button, this is going to print these statements. So if I go here and if I process these few, this is going to take me to the customer statements. And as we see here, if we look at our customer ID, there's going to be multiple pages here for these particular customers. I'm going to jump back into the print statements. And if you see at the top here, there's a few other options that we can have. We can also email the statement, or we can regenerate it, or we can mark it accordingly should we need to. So if you have your email set up inside of the system, you can select the action to email statement. You can select which ones you would like to email, and then you would just have the action for email statement, and then we would click process, and then this would actually generate the emails for each one of those customers, sending them their statements. And as we see here, we can see how many were processed. And in this case here, it will be 5 total that were processed. If we take a look at this, there's a scheduler up here that we can actually do. So if you want to run this every month, we can help you set up the scheduler to be able to automatically send out these emails or print these statements, at the end of every single month at, say, 12 o'clock noon on the last day of the month. We can have those set up or whatever you would like to be able to run these automatically. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.